Welcome back to a dynamic and responsive blog in PHP. Then we are working over this page. So I go back to my Notepad++ code editor. I would like to tell you that now I shall begin to write code right under this closing div of container about ends. This div has been started from here, container space about, and this div has been ended here. So I am going to write code under this div. Div space class is equal to double quotes container. Container starts, container ends. Friend, now I shall make a new page. So I press Ctrl N and I write some dummy text. So I shall save this page inside the includes folder. So I double click over includes, and here I give it a name contact underscore form.php. I save it. So now I go to about-us.php page. Actually friends, a lot of pages have been opened, so I think some of pages I should cancel here. From here I close some of pages so you could understand easily. The first one is comment underscore form.php, the second is header.php, the third one is blog-detail.php, the fourth one is post underscore body.php, and the fifth one is footer.php. So now you will understand more easily. This is the about-us.php page which I made in previous video. So I make the PHP basic syntax here by including the contact underscore form.page, include parentheses double quotes, includes the folder name / contact underscore form.php. Now I go to this page and I remove that dummy text. I make one div. I assign a class to it. Class is equal to row, and I comment it. Row starts and row ends. I make one more div under that div and I assign a class to it. Class is equal to double quotes call-md-8, call md8, the Bootstrap default class, call md offset -2, space id is equal to contact. I show you this contact, this id contact which I gave here, and this is that id contact. Now I am calling this contact ID there in that page, form_contact.php page. So I go back to my form_contact.php page. I comment it, call md8 and call md offset to starts. Now I copy this comment and paste it down at the closing div. Ends. Now I make one h1 tag, h1 space style is equal to text dash line column center. Contact. I have used inline CSS method by using style tag. Now I make form tag and close it down. Method, I define it is method. Post space action is equal to double quotes nothing. Class is equal to action will be the same page because I have included this page in about dash for us PHP page contact dash form. Class is equal to contact dash form. Contact dash form starts. I copy it and paste it down. Ends. I make one more div under it. And assign a class to it. Class is equal to row. Row starts. Now I copy this comment and write here ends. Div start and div close. I assign one more class to it. Class is equal to call md6. I write comment, call md6 starts. And ends. I make one input tag inside it. Input space type is equal to text. I assign a name for calling it in PHP. Name is equal to name. And placeholder we use for showing text on our browser is equal to double quotes name. And I also assign a class to it, form dash control, the default class of Bootstrap, space input dash lg. I make one more div under it, and I also assign a class to it, call md6. When you will see my Bootstrap course, then you will understand everything. about the Bootstrap default classes and the usage of Bootstrap. I copied this comment and paste it down, and here I write ends on the place of stars. So I make one more input tag under that, and inside that div input type is equal to text, name is equal to subject, placeholder is equal to subject, class is equal to form dash control space input dash lg. Now friend, I come out of this row ends div at the closing div of row ends, and I make one input tag, input space type email space name is equal to email, placeholder is equal to email, and class is equal to double quotes form dash control input dash lg. Now I make one text area tag. It is the same form which I made in previous 2 and 3 video before. Text area space rows is equal to 10, name is equal to message, and placeholder is equal to double quotes your thoughts, h should be small, dot dot dot, class is equal to double quotes form dash control input dash lg. Now I make one more div under it, under the text area tag. Class is equal to double quote buttons space clear fix. Now I comment it. Buttons clear fix starts, and button clear fix ends. Now I make one button tag. Button space type is equal to double quotes submit. There is a mistake in submit spelling. Space name is equal to double quotes submit. Name is equal to double quotes btn space btn dash x large space btn dash blog dash 1. There is a mistake in submit spelling. Once again, submit. I make one BR tag. Now I go to my Chrome browser for watching the preview. So I refresh the page. I scroll it down. So friends, you are watching that this kind of form has been made yet, but still I am to stylize it in my CSS style.css. I go back to my Notepad++ code editor. There is one mistake. Actually I was to write here class, not the name. So I go to my Chrome browser and I refresh the page. So friend, now it's okay. But as I have told you that I am still to stylize it in my style.css page, but I will stylize it in next video. Goodbye.